Hello everyone, my name is Anjali and today I am going to tell you about the algebra for class 6. So first I want to tell you about the patterns and sequences in algebra. So what is sequence in algebra? So if you see an ordered list of items that may be number or shapes is called a sequence. And each item in sequence are called terms. Okay, so what is pattern? Pattern is a set of items that follow a predictable rule. Okay, so there is a predefined rule is already defined in the sequence. So I'm going to explain it to you with this example. So if you see this example, you see 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, 17, and 20 is the sequence I have. Each item is a term and there is pattern defined. If you observe closely, there is difference of plus 3 in every next term. This is plus 3 and this is plus 3. So how do we identify this rule? That rule is called a term rule. How do we identify the rule? So suppose I want to give this is a T1, this is T2, likewise this is T3, likewise this is T4. I want to calculate the nth term. So what is that? So Tn equal to, how do we identify this? 3 is the difference between these two terms. So I will write it first. I am going to calculate the first term. Okay, so first term, how do we calculate it? Like difference is for 3 and I will take the n term and minus 1. If I do that, so I can calculate the every term of the sequence. So we will calculate it first term of the this sequence. So 3, I will replace n with the first term minus 1. So what it will be? 3 minus 1 equal to 2. So T1 equal to 1. T1 equal to, sorry, 2. So likewise I will calculate the second term. What is that? 3 and n is 2 minus 1. 3 into 2 is 6 minus 1 equal to 5. So T2 equal to 5. Likewise third term equal to 3 into 3 minus 1. 3 into 3 is 9 minus 1 equal to 8. So T3 equal to 8. I hope it clears to you. Likewise, you can calculate any number of term without calculating all the terms. Like suppose you want to calculate the 12th term. So 12th term will be T12 equal to 3 into 12 minus 1. So what will it will be? T12 equal to 12 into 2 is 24, 12 into 3 is 36 minus 1. So T 12th term will be 35. Okay, so likewise we can calculate it. Okay, all the terms of the pattern, all the terms of the sequence with this term rule. This is called the term rule here. This is called the term rule to calculate the sequence and to calculate the item in the sequence. I hope it clears to you. Now I am going to tell you one more example. If you see 39, you see the series, this 39, 35, 31, 27, 23. So if you see, there is 4 difference in each next term. Minus 4, if you do, then you will get 31. If you do from 31, you do minus 4, then you will get 27. So how do you calculate the term rule for this? So I am going to calculate for the nth term. So in that way you can calculate any term of the sequence. So Tn equal to minus 4 is the difference. Okay, and I have written the nth term here plus 43. If I am just calculating by myself, like if you minus 43, if you minus 4 from 43, you will get in that way you will get the first term, that is T1, sorry. You will get the first term. Now we will see how we will calculate, how we will get the first term. Minus 4, 1, plus 43. Okay, what it will be? If you minus 4 from 43, you will get 39. So T1 equal to 39. Okay, likewise I will calculate the second term of the sequence that is minus 4 2 plus 43. Minus 4 into 2 is 8, minus 8 plus 43 equal to, that is equal to 35. Okay, so T2 equal to 35. T3 is, if you see, minus 4 3 plus 43, minus 4 into 3 is minus 12 plus 43, that it is 31. So T3 value is 31. I hope it clears to you. One more example I am going to tell you. This one is very easy. If you see the difference between these two, that is plus 2. Between 5 and 7 is plus 2. Okay. And between next term, let's see, it is 9. That is plus 2. So what will be the term rule? Tn equal to 2n. 2 is the difference. 2n plus 1. So first we will concentrate on the first term of the sequence. So how do we calculate it? If T1 equal to 2 1 plus 1. So the our first term is T1 equal to 3. 2 into 1 is 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay, likewise T2 second term equal to 2 2 plus 1, that is 2 into 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay, T3 equal to 2 into n value is 3 plus 1 equal to 6 plus 1 equal to 7. So T1 equal to 3, T1 equal to 3, T2 equal to 5 and T3 equal to 7. So in that way you can calculate the term rule for each sequence and you can find out any number of term in that sequence. I hope it clears to you. Next is vocabulary in algebra. So we are going to use some vocabulary in the algebra. So I am going to tell you all those about now. So what is constant? Constant, if you see, that value never changes. That value never change and it is a fixed value. So like numbers are there, 2, 3, 5, all are fixed. They will never change. So that is called a constant. So what are the second term is the variable. What are the variables? Variable, their value can be changed. Okay, and we represent them with alphabets X, Y, M, N or A, B. We can represent it with any alphabet. So these alphabets also represent the numbers only. Suppose we have X. I have taken one variable X. That is also representing the value of, it is representing the number. So that is X equal to 5. So that is called a variable. Okay, and they are also called the literals. They are also called the literals. So the next term is coefficient. So what are coefficient? A number used to multiply a variable. A number used to multiply a variable is coefficient. Like I have one sequence, that is 5x is there. So the coefficient of this is plus 5. Okay, so the coefficient of this is plus 5. This term is plus 5. I hope it clears to you. Next one is, now we are going to do one example. In this you can see the, you can it will be more clear to you. So what is the, this is our equation, 6x minus 3y minus m plus 3. So now we are going to calculate the coefficients of this term. So plus 6 is the first coefficient, plus 6 is the first coefficient. For y coefficient is minus 3. It will take the symbol also. It will take the symbol also. For m, the if you see minus 1, if you, there is no number, so it is calculated by 1. Okay, so minus 1 is the, minus 1 is the coefficient for the this equation, and for and the constant is plus 3. Constant is plus 3 here, and variables are, you can see easily, it's x, y and m. Variables are x, y and m. I hope it clears to you. Thank you so much for watching my video. Have a good day. Please like, comment and subscribe my channel. Have a good day.